I'm Melina.
And I'm Maria. Welcome to the second video in the Consulate General Montreal series about immigrant visas.
Today, we're going to tell you more about one of the documents you need for your visa interview, the Affidavit of Support.
Remember, before you can have an interview, you must have all your paperwork ready. This means that even if you've sent everything to the National Visa Center, you still need to bring your originals to the interview. Arriving without all required documents can create a significant delay in your visa issuance.
That's right. So let's take a look at the list of documents you need to bring with you, and then we'll talk in particular about the Affidavit of Support.
The Affidavit of Support is also known as Form I-864. It's a legal contract required by law between your sponsor and the U.S. government. The affidavit ensures that your sponsor has the means to financially support you and that you are unlikely to become dependent upon the government.
Almost every family-based immigrant visa case will require the Affidavit of Support, but a few exceptions are listed in the form's instructions. The National Visa Center, or NVC, will send your sponsor an invoice for the Affidavit of Support processing fee. This invoice must be paid before your case can proceed.
Once your sponsor has paid the fee and completed and signed the Affidavit of Support, it must be sent to the NVC to ensure it is complete and correct. If it isn't, NVC will explain the problem to your sponsor and request a corrected version. Once the form is accepted, it will be sent here to the Consulate General Montreal, along with your immigrant visa petition.
Even if your Affidavit of Support has been submitted to NVC, it's a good idea to bring another original signed affidavit to your visa interview. Most cases we receive from NVC include the Affidavit of Support, but financial questions can be answered more easily if you arrive at the interview with a signed original and your sponsor's most recent U.S. tax return.
In some cases, a sponsor may not be able to show sufficient financial support. The consular officer may advise that you need a joint sponsor. The joint sponsor must fill out an I-864 as well and send it directly to you. When you receive the form, you will submit it to our visa section using the instructions provided to you in your visa interview.
For full information about Affidavit of Support requirements, forms, and whether an Affidavit of Support is required from you, visit the website on the screen.
Thanks for joining us, and be sure to watch all 5 videos in our IV information series. Next up, the medical exam.